Hello, all. Good evening. So, I think somehow people are there to join the class, right? Is my voice is audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Anju, this is audible. Anju,
Yes, sir, you're audible.
okay. So, four more are going to join, right? Only 10 people have been joined yet. Okay. So, actually, I was preparing your note. So, the first lesson, not lesson, the last class topic has been, I have been prepared in note and I will send it out to the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So can you see my screen, right? You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the note. I just started only I have divided it into some chapters. So the last class has been, note has been completed. Okay. So what is company code, business area, how to create means after that all these portions are theory to know what is it. Okay. And from here it is become practical. Okay, how to create community. When you read it you will understand. And if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay. Okay, so 13. So I think oh yeah, okay. So let's start today's class. So have you practiced yesterday or till now? Is there any
Sir,
doubt?
there is some disturbance when you're talking.
Okay. What about now? Let's see, is it audible?
So your voice is audible, but there is some disturbance.
Disturbance like what? Actually, this room is
Like
very
when,
quiet.
like,
Yeah.
like when you're talking, like it was like duck, 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 duck sound is coming.
Okay. Then just a minute. Actually, I'm connected to the Bluetooth. So I think it's because of that.
Okay, guys, is it audible right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there
Yes,
any
yes.
disturbance, something like that?
No, sir.
No, it's clear now.
All fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's start the class. So, is there any doubt? Anybody?
Sir, you said you will explain all once.
Sorry?
Sir, day before yesterday I asked that is getting error, I said. Company creation and
Yeah, no, Malish, yeah, just a minute.
yes.
So tell me, Malish, what was your first doubt?
Actually, after this, you said to create company, no, sir. Once
Yeah.
we are creating company, maybe all are doing same time, whatever it may be. That screenshot I sent, no, that error is occurring.
Oh, just a minute, let me check your.
That's why I'm asking you. You once repeat that 3 steps you said no to practice.
In
So-
in which account you send the screenshot to my personal account or the into the group?
Personal.
Personal. Yeah. Yeah, this one.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this one is we can do nothing. Actually, this is because two reason. One is due to your network problem. Otherwise, due to the server problem.
Okay, sir. My request is a simple way creating company code assigning, and business area. You can quickly you can show once. I will try multiple times. Maybe this may be network error or whatever.
Okay. So for creating company code, the T code is means transaction code is /n. /n is for all T codes, and the T code is OX15. Okay. Then press enter. Then go to new entry because we are creating one new company. So we have to go to new entry. After that, you can see company name, city, country, language, currency. Here you give in this one, there is company and company name. So this company is actually a code. You have to specify a unique code for your company. So just think that I'm giving CVC. Okay. And I'm giving the company's name also as CVC Private Limited. Then give any city. I am giving my town home city itself, Thrissur, and country. It's India. The short key for India is IN. So a drop down will appear. From that, you have to select India. Don't just type IN and go. Don't do like that. You have to type IN and you have to select from it. Okay. Select it. Okay. Then in language key, you just type EN, English. Short key for English is EN. Just type it and go. There won't be any drop down. You just type EN and go. And in currency, you type INR because in India it's Indian rupee and the code is INR. Okay. Here also you have to select it from the drop down. Okay. Press enter. So we have given at the real time you have to give the street, post office, postal code, all the thing. Now we are just for education purpose, right? So we can skip it. This is not mandatory. This company name, country, language, currency, all these are compulsory, mandatory. Okay. After that, you can save here. This is the save button. Otherwise, you can press Control S as save. So a pop-up box like this will come. Here just click on this green tick, otherwise you can press enter. So data was saved, means the company has been successfully created. Next we are going to create this company code. The T code is OX02, press enter. Just a minute. Oh, it's loading. So here you can see the data is locked by user. Somebody has been displayed only. Okay. So this is the lock screen. Actually, this has been came because somebody in the same client, 700 is our client. So somebody is now working in the same T code. Means somebody is working in the company code area. So at a time, in a client, at a time, one person can work. So first of all, we have to delete the lock. For that, you just press yes. After that, you go to /n sm12. This sm12 is for deleting the locks. Okay, so go to sm12. Then this is my client. So username, you delete the username, then press enter. Okay. Yeah. So you can see there is somebody in the client 200 is right now working in company code segment. So you have to select this and delete. Yes. Okay. So the lock has been gone. Now create it once more. Means this company code that was we are trying to create, right? At that time the lock has been came. So we came to SM12 to delete the lock. So now we have deleted the lock. So we have to create this company code again /n OX02 and position. Sorry. New entry. Give the company code. Here you can see company code, name, city, currency, language. Okay. So this company code means we have to give a specific code for our company code. Okay. So I am giving you. What was the code we have given for company, sir?
Hello.
Tell me.
Earlier, you are asking, sir, for our company.
Just now we have created one company, right?
Code 200 you have taken, no?
No. We have given a code for the company.
Okay, you written like a private limited something, that one.
That what was that?
I think I'm not noticed, not remembered. Actually, I'm noticed.
That one, all this code has to be noticed. Okay. Otherwise, we can't go to the next steps. All these code are like the interlinked. Okay.
Okay.
First we will create company and we will create company code. After that, we are going to assign this. So if we don't know what code we have given for this company, we can't assign.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I also forgot the code for the.
We will
company.
ask, sir, anyone is remembered?
CVC, sir.
What was it?
CVC.
CVC.
CVC. Okay. So I will give a easy method. You give same code for everything. Like for company, you give I have given CVC, And for company code also you give CVC. And after that we will create so many things. For everything you give same code. So you can remember. You will be easy to remember that. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay. So CVC. So for company code also I'm giving CVC. It is not mandatory to you have to give same code for everything. Nothing like that. This is for a easy step. It is like an easy step. Then you can remember the code very easily. Just one code is enough to make all the process. That's why. So company code I have given ECC. And the company name is EVC. EVC Private Limited LTD. Okay. After that, city Thrissur itself I'm giving. Country India. We have to select it. Currency INR. That also you have to select it. Then language EN. There is nothing to select, just type EN, that's all. After that, you press on this save button. So a box like this will come. Nothing is there. All these things that you have given here, we have to repeat here. Only this title is a new one. We have to give the title, whether it is a company or it is a proprietorship, sole proprietorship, or solo proprietorship, like that you have to give. So I am giving company. And in real time, you have to fill all these details. Now we are giving only country. There was a red mark. This is because this country is mandatory. You have to fill this country column. Without this, we can't save. So we are giving the country, India. After that, this region. Region means state. We have to select the state also. Okay. So I am giving Kerala and the code is 11. If you don't know your state's code, just go to this button. You can see one button here. Press that and select which state of yours. So all of you guys are from Telangana. So Telangana is actually, it is not in this list. It is a split up, right? In Andhra Pradesh, in previous class, I have mentioned that, right? Dheeraj or somebody else?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ah.
sir, for me.
So your state will, you have to give Andhra Pradesh, okay? For now I am giving Kerala. So this code is necessary. If you know the code, you just type it there. If you don't know, you go here and select which state state it is. So Kerala, you just double click on it. So this so the code is 11. It come automatically. After that, press enter. So the same pop-up box for saving will come. Just press enter again or click on this tick. Okay, so now we have created company and company code. So Mallet sir, is there any doubt in the creation section?
No doubt, sir. Okay, sir.
Oh, so actually I am going a little bit fast because all the students know this. Okay, so next is we have to assign. We have to assign company and company code. Actually, we know that the CVC is a company code of the company CVC, but the system doesn't. The system doesn't know that these companies belong to this particular company code. Okay, so we have to assign it. For that, we have to go to /n OX16. So you can see here all the company code have been assigned to the company. So first of all, we have to find our company code, right? So for that, click on the position. After that, you have to mention your company code, company code. CVC was our company code. Press enter. So you can see CVC company code. CVC is here. And if we see here, for the company column, nothing is there because we didn't assign it. So we are going to assign. So what was our company? That was also CVC. So type CVC. and drop. Sometime it will be a little bit lag due to the net issue. You just wait for couple of seconds, it will come. Okay, so here you can see our company CVC is the code, and the CVC Private Limited is the company name. India, currency, everything is there. Then after that, select it, press enter, save it. Okay, so this box will be there for every saving process. Just press enter, that's all. And I think so we have assigned the company to company code. Okay, is there any doubt?
Out, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So next is business area. The code for just one. Malesh, Malesha, do you know what you are familiar with this company? What is company? What is company code? What is business area, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in that section? If that is clear, then only you will be crystal clear in this section. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm clear, sir.
Okay. So no problem. So you are going to create business area. For that, /n OX03. Then go to new entry. We are creating a new, whenever we are creating a new thing, new company code, new company, new business area, new chart of account, for everything, we will go to new entries. If you are creating a new thing, go to new entries. Okay. So business area that you are creating, we press new entry. You can see here business area description. So this business area section is as a code. Okay, for every business area means department. Okay, from now onwards I will say only business area. Okay, in SAP we don't say departments, we will use business area. Okay, so for every business area we have to give a code, a unique code. Okay, so here I am going to make 3 business areas: purchase, sales, and accounts. So I am giving CVC1 is the first business area. It's purchase. Okay, so purchase. Next is CVC2. It is sales. So I am giving sales. In your system, this drop down may not come. So you have to type it wholly. Okay, fully. Next is CVC3. It is accounts. So accounts. Okay, so these 3 departments business area has been created. Then we can save it. Okay. So this was our previous, this was the topic for the previous class. So for the 2 days, I think we are going to the same topic. So is there any doubt for anybody? Is there any single doubt? Don't put it in mind, just split it out. Okay. If there is in doubt, you just say it at that particular moment itself. Okay. So guys, is there any doubt for anybody?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Vinay?
No, sir.
Okay. So everybody has been created company code, business area, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, and what about some of them are not in, I think some of them have some means problem for the systems and like that. I forgot those names. Who was that? Deepika? Deepika?
Sure.
Have you created company code, business area?
Yes, sir.
How many?
Sure.
How many company have you created?
1, sir.
You create not only one, you create 5 or 6, because now it is okay because we are just creating company code, business area.
Yes.
After some more classes, we will create something else. Okay. So
Okay.
at that time, We had not only for Shruti, for everybody. Okay. So after some 2-3 days classes after, we will teach. I will teach something else. Okay. So at that
Okay.
time, if we don't create this company code, and if we don't follow that step, we can't make the things that I am going to teach you later. Okay. So
Okay.
you keep on doing like. You create 5 company code business area, and you have to note the codes. Okay, don't forget. If you created 5 company codes and you don't know then you don't know the company codes, means that code, then there is no use. Okay, so when you are creating this 5 company code business area, you have to note that codes. Okay, then only the plan will work. After now we are created company code business area. After that we will make chart of account and this account groups, etc, etc, etc. So this will all go in a chain, in a process. This is a configuration. Okay.
Okay.
So is there so Deepika has been created one. Deepika, you created 4 more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Sandhya,
Yes, sir.
have you created company code business area?
Yes, sir. I'm creating
How
almost
many? How many?
6 companies, sir.
Okay, good. And have you noted all the codes, company codes?
Yes, sir.
You know it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Jennifer,
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
what is your doubt?
In business area, we can give position, sir.
Sorry?
In business area,
Oh,
there is a position, sir. Can you give it?
okay. I have to repeat that portion, right?
Hmm.
Ah. In business area, I
Position
didn't on position.
below, sir.
Yeah.
Here,
I didn't get it. Can you say one more time what is your doubt?
here we can give position or not.
No. Here we don't have to give position. Actually, business area, we are creating a new business area now. So position is not necessary.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We are creating a new business area. So we will click on new entry. Or after creating this new business area, we do something else and you want to change any name or something like that. Then you first of all you have to find out your business area from this whole list, right? So for that purpose, you can use position. Just click on position, give your business area. CVC1 was my business area. Then press enter. So you can see this 3 was the business area that we have created. For finding purpose and all, we will use position. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Not only in the business area section, for all section, for the finding cases, we will use position, and for a creating cases, we will use new entries. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So have you created company code business area?
Yes, sir. I did, sir.
Okay. How many?
3, sir.
Okay. You do 2 more. That will be good because I said no. It will be good for you. You can keep on practicing with the same company code. Okay. Fine. No problem. Sai Kiran. Sai Kiran. Okay. Deepika. Deepika.
Sir.
Have you created company code business area?
I already said, sir.
How many?
One, sir.
Oh, you sorry. You already said right. Okay. Sai Kiran. So hope everybody. Saukya. Saukya.
No, sir, I did not done it, sir. Tomorrow I'll buy the
Ah.
laptop. I will done it, sir.
Yes, you asked that guy. Actually, I remember somebody has been told that computer is went wrong, something like that. So you asked that guy, right? Okay, fine. So when will you get your computer?
Tomorrow, sir.
Okay, no problem. So when you get it, you create it, you practice it, okay? Fine. So,
Okay, sir.
okay, fine. So now we have created company code business area. Next thing that you are going to create is chart of accounts. Okay. So what is chart of account? Anjut,
Yes, sir.
what is chart of account?
Sir, I guess it's a place where all the accounts are stored.
Oh, okay, fine.
Check my notes.
Yeah, correct only.
Okay.
So we are going to create a new chart of account. Okay. So the code for the chart of account is OB16. Sorry. Not 16, it was 13. It's 13. Okay. OB13 is the T code for chart of account. Okay. So here also we are going to create a new thing. Okay. So for that, new entry. You need to click on new entry. Then here you can see chart of account, description, maintain language, length of GL account number, and controlling. This is not required.
Sir, what was the T code, sir?
OB13. All the T codes will be displayed here. Okay. Okay. So we are going to create a new chart of account for our company code. Okay. So we have to give a code for this chart of account. Also, we have to give a code. So here also I am giving the same code. CVC. So CVC M has been already created. That is not a problem because we are just giving CVC. That's all. So CVC. After that, press tab. So we'll go to the next column, description. So here we have to describe what we are exactly going to create. We are going to create a chart of account for whom or for what? For our company code. Okay. So I am giving chart of account. COA is the short form for CVC. That's enough. Then maintain language. English. Just press C. That's enough. Then it will come. Then length of GL account number. Give 8. This GL account number is or you do one thing. You just type 8 here. In the next not previous class, the coming class, I will tell what is for what this 8 has been given. If I say right now, I am doubt that whether you guys can follow. Okay. In this account group, you will understand it. Okay. So you just give here 8. That's enough. Then nothing is here. Okay. So this is the process for creating chart of account. First, we have to give chart of account code. A unique code has to be given. Sometime this code will, when you type a code, error message will come saying that this code has been already is there like that. So you have to change this code. Okay. Then
Sir,
in this, then
sir,
yeah.
can we give the same chart of accounts like company code and chart of accounts can be same, sir?
Yeah, of course. That's what actually I'm doing now. I have created CVC as a company, CVC as a company code. Now I am giving CVC as a chart of account. Okay, that will be good because then this we can remember it. Only one code is necessary to remember. Okay, the same code. If we are giving the same code, then it will be very good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But don't give my code. Now I have created CVC. So then you can't create CVC because that the CVC is all. Then this error message will come. This CVC is already existing like that saying. Okay. So try another code, and you can give same code for the every process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we can save it. Presenter. That's it. So we have created chart of account. Is there any doubt in chart of account?
No, sir.
Okay. So after chart of account, we are going to create account group. Okay. So what is account group? Manasa.
Yes, sir.
What is account group?
Sorry, sir. I didn't remember.
Sorry.
I don't know, sir.
Oh, no problem. Next is Saukya. Saukya. Saukya, are you there?
Sir? Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is account group?
Sir?
What is account group? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello? Is it audible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Me, what is account group?
Eh, Sir, your voice is talking, sir. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello, is it audible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is account group?
In blue color, sir.
Account group, account group.
I don't.
Okay, fine, no problem. Sai Krishna. Sai Krishna. Okay, is there anybody who knows what is account group?
The account group involves four types: assets, liabilities.
Yeah, tell me, tell me. Can you say it one more time?
Sir, assets, liabilities, income, and expense.
Yeah, all these four are called account groups. Okay, actually, it is a account group means a set of accounts which have same nature. Okay, so asset. If you are, we have created one asset account group. All the asset will be in this asset account group. Land, building, machinery, plant, vehicle, everything are assets, right? Not only this one, cash bank also are assets. So all this thing will be stored in this asset group, asset account group. Okay. Like that, expense, revenue, liability. So that is account group. So is there any doubt in account group? What is account group? Anybody? Is there any doubt?
No, sir. No.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Sir, you say set of what?
Set of same nature of accounts.
Okay.
For example, in asset, if you are taking case of asset, all the asset account will be in a same account group. Name is asset, like asset, liability, expense, revenue. These are the four account group we generally create. In all the asset will be stored in this asset account group. All the liability accounts will be stored in the liability account group. And like that, expense and revenue. All the expense will be stored in expense. All the revenue will be stored in revenue. Okay? Cleared? Hello, sir. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear, sir. All similar transaction bringing together, no?
No transaction, accounts.
Yeah, similar accounts, so
Different.
similar.
Yeah, accounts. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
That is, so we have to create this account group. That is the next procedure. Okay, so we are going to create account group. For creating account group, we have to, the T code is /n OBD4. Okay, OBD4 is the T code for account group, creating account group. So you can see so many account groups are here. Like that, we have to also create account group. For creating account group, we have to go new entries because we are creating a new thing. So click on new entries. After the, so this is the page for creating chart of account. Okay, sorry, account group. This is the page for creating account group. And here you can see chart of account group, name, from account to account. Okay. So chart of account means, chart of account. So here we are creating, at that time itself, we are assigning. Okay. So all the account group has to be stored in this chart of account. That's why this chart of account is here. Then account group, we have to specify which account that we are going to create, which account group we are going to create. In short, okay, asset, liability, expense, revenue are the four account group that we are going to create here. So we have to specify in short, and in name we have to give the full name, asset completely, or liability, expense, revenue, like that you have to give completely. And from account to account, in that we are giving a number range, a particular number range for this account group. Okay. So we are going to create chart of account. What was the chart of account? CVC is the chart of account that we have created for our company. So we are selecting the chart of account. We have to select it. Okay, a drop down will appear like this. We have to select it. Don't just type it and go. Don't do like that. Okay. Here on the first account group that you're going to create is asset. So give asset in a store like ASST. That's enough. And in name you give full name. ASSS ETS is assets. Asset is enough. And from account to account, it is the number range to store the accounts in this account group. Okay. So I am giving 1 to 10. Okay. So here in asset account group, we can only say we can only store 10 accounts. Okay. because the number range is starting from 1 to 10. The in between this is only 10. 1, 2, 3, like that. Only 10 number ranges are there. Okay. So if we want, if we wish for more accounts to store in this account group, just increase this number range. It is not necessary to start it from 1. We can start it from 1000 to 1999. That is also possible. In between, now this is in between. This is 999 account spaces are there, right? So 999 account can be created in asset account group. Do you understand?
Sir,
Yes,
is
sir.
there any limit for it, sir?
No. The limit are created by us only. Okay. If we create like 1 to 10, then the limit is 10. Only 10 accounts are can be created. Okay. If you are giving 1 to 100, then the limit is 100. Only 100 account can be created. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody having doubt? Anybody? If
No,
yes,
sir.
please
No, sir.
Sir, a small doubt, sir.
ask
Suppose,
Dheeraj. Who was
yeah,
that?
Mallesh,
Mallesh. Okay. Tell me.
given 1 to 100,
Oh,
because we are creating, we don't know in future, it may be increased like that.
yeah,
Later we can edit.
yeah, of course. If we create 1 to 100 and you have created 100 accounts and you are wishing to create more accounts, then not edit, we can create one more account group with same name asset, and you can create another number series like for example, think that Mallesh sir has created a account group asset and the number range is from 1 to 100, and Mallesh sir has created 100 accounts and he have to create 10 more accounts. So there is no space. 1 to 100 has been filled. So there is 10 more accounts. So Malish sir has to create another account group with the same name. You have to specify the chart of account, asset, here also asset, then the number range. Once you have created 1 to 100, right? So you can create another number range. It should not be intersect, okay? You have created 1 to 100 and don't create 50 to 150 because this 50 to 100 is already in this number range. It is an intersection, right? So you can create 101 to 200. That is possible. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So is there anybody who have doubt in this particular section? Vinay, Shruti, Saukya, anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we have created only one account group. There are 3 more. Okay. So I am giving CVC account group. So chart of account has been created. Liability. In short, here we have to give liability in long. So now we have created 1 to 100. So we have to create another number series and it should not be intersect. Okay. So I am giving, or do one thing, it will be, do one thing, I am giving 1000. Okay. 1000 to 1999. And for liability, I am giving 2000 to 2999. And next, CVC expense. 3,000 to 3,999. Again, CVC revenue. Here also revenue 4,000 to 4,999. Understood? Now you can see a set of number series. And I have given 1,000 to 199, 2,000 to like that. It will be good to remember. That's why I have given like that. It is not compulsory to give in this number range itself. Nothing is there. You can give 1 lakh to 1 lakh 19 like that number also you can type, or 1 to 1,000 is also possible. Only thing is the number range should not intersect each other. Okay. Like for asset we have created 1 to 100, and for liability 15 to 150. It is not possible because 1 to 100 is also already given in a number series, and we can't give a starting number series inside this number series, in this particular number series. It is not possible. Okay. So we have created the number series, then click on save button, enter. So any doubt, guys? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? If there is any doubt, please ask. Don't hesitate to ask. Okay. These all are the basic. Yeah, Anirudh, tell me.
Why are we not giving same, sir?
Sorry?
Like, we should not give same number, like it's 1 to 100 and the next should be 200 and 300. So why are we not giving like that?
Good question. Because in all these particular number, we are creating accounts. For example, asset. The number starting from 1,000 to 1,999. So in asset, think that in asset, land, building, machinery, vehicle. Four assets I am going to create. So it is going to create inside this asset group. Okay. So I am first time creating land. Means land is asset. So this land will be in 1,000. Okay, the first number is 1,000. So 1,000. This 1,000 number is means land is belongs to this 1,000 number. After that, I am giving vehicle. So vehicle will be 1,001. Then then I am creating building. It will be 1,002. After that, cash 1,003. Bank 1,004. Computer 1,005. Like that, it will go until 1,999. So we are assigning a number range because this number range will be filled with accounts. Okay. So if we intercept this account, a confusion will occur. Okay. Whether this account belongs to this number range or that number. Okay. If think that we are giving 1 to 10 a number range. Okay. And we are giving 1 to 10 for asset. Okay. And we are giving a number range for liability 5 to 20. So this 5 to 10 is common for this asset account group and liability account group. This 5 to 10 is common. So the system will get a confusion whether this number range is for asset or liability. Like that, a confusion will occur. Right? Means understand? What was that? Understand the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any other doubt?
Sir, small, not doubt, small information, sir.
Okay.
Is there a limit of any pre-specified accounts groups, or we can take like our own?
Can you? I didn't get it.
No,
Can
here
say
you said assets, liability, expenses, revenue. So
Uh,
only these groups will be there, or we have another any groups like
it is our wish. In
no
general, we will
the-
create. No, I am saying that it is our actually. In general, we will create asset, liability, expense, revenue, or we can split even more like current asset, fixed asset, current liability, fixed liability, indirect expense, direct expense, indirect revenue, direct revenue. Like that, also we can create account groups and
okay,
separate number range also we will give. Understood?
okay, sir, got it, sir.
Everything can be customized according to our wish. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the general format. So if you wish that you not like this, you have to you want to create some more divisions. So you are creating in asset you are splitting it into two, like current asset, fixed asset, liability also in current liability, fixed like that you can create. It is upon you. Okay, if you're working in a real company and if your owner says you have to create in that way, you can create it. Okay, only thing is this number range should not intercept each other. That is the only condition while when preparing account group. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and is there any other doubt? Anybody? So hope everybody understood the account group. So one more step. So this topic will be over. Okay. So the next thing is retained earnings. So anybody who knows what is retained earnings? Retained earnings.
The accounts which are not in this four groups are called retained earnings.
Okay, fine. That is correct. If anybody don't know, please. Dheeraj, can you please repeat it again? Please hear.
The
What
accounts,
is saying?
the
Yeah,
accounts,
tell me.
the accounts which we record which are not from these four groups are retained earning groups.
Yeah, okay. That's it. All the accounts will be in this account group. Will go to this account group, but there are some accounts like reserve which are not specified. Okay, reserve which are specified will go to asset, and there are some reserve which are not specified for a particular reason. Like that, accounts like that will be stored in the retained earnings section. Okay. So for creating retained earnings, we have to go to /n OB53. Okay. So when we type /n OB53 and after pressing enter, they will ask to which chart of account this account has to go. Okay. So we have to specify our chart of account. So chart of account is ECV. Then select it, press enter. So this is the screen for creating retained earnings. There is no need to click on this new entry. There is no option for new entry. Here just creating is the only thing. Okay. So give RE, or you can give anything. RE is short form of retained earnings. And in account, you have to give one account. Okay. In previous this account group, you have created a number range. In that all number range account will be there. Not now, we will assign it. Okay. In retained earnings, there is no number range or it is not a group of accounts. It is just one account. That's all. It is not an account group. It is an account. just one account. Okay. So we have to give a number, not a number range, a number. And that number should not be there in the account group number range. We have created account group and we have assigned a number range. Okay. The number for this returned earnings should not be there in the series of the number range of the account group. Okay. So our number range will start in account group. We have given 1000 to 4,999. Okay. So I am giving here 1. No problem, because 1 is not inside the number range of the account group. Our account group is from 1000 to 1,999, 2000 to 2,999, like that, 4,999. Okay, that is the total number range is 1,000 to 4,999. Inside this number should not come. For example, if we give 5,000, if we give 3,000, that can't be allowed. Okay, because 3,000 is already assigned in one account group, so that can't be given. But one is not given to any account groups. We have started it from 1,000, so I am giving 1, or you can give 10, 100. Sorry. 10 or 100, no problem. Or 199, that is also no problem. Okay. After that, press enter. So you can see account 1 not created in chart of account CVC. They are giving a alert. There are 3 types of colors. One is green. It means that successfully saved or the work has been successfully done. Okay, like that. Green is for a successful sign, and red is for a error message or something has went wrong, like that. Error message, or it is a bad symbol, red. And this yellow is alert message. Okay. So what is the alert that they are saying is account 1 is not created in chart of account CVC, saying that this account 1 is not created. That's all. Yes, we know that it is not created. That's why we are giving it. Okay. Just press enter once again. That's enough. Okay. Then you can save it. So the pop-up box will come. Just press on this tick. So we have created returned earnings. Is there any doubt in this returned earnings section? Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. So only 3 steps we have discussed today. First one is chart of account. After that, account group and returned earnings. Okay. So we will go for a recap. Just a minute. So first we have created chart of account. The code for chart of account is /n ox. Just a minute. V30. Press enter. So we have created a new chart of account. Okay. So for creating new chart of account, we click on this new entry Then we have given a chart of account code, and that code has to be unique. Nobody should have to, means nobody has to be created yet, and only we can give that code. After the description, you have to give a description, chart of account for this chart company code, like that you have to give. After that, language, you just type P, that is enough, so the English will appear. And yeah, length of GL account. In length of GL account, if we give 1, we have to give it as 8 or 10, that is enough. And that number is 4. Actually, think that we have given in length of GL account number as 1. So, or we have just assume that we have given 1, and in this account group we have given 1 to or 1000 to 1999, 2000, 2999, like that we have given. But even though we have created this number range, we can't give asset till 1000 to 1999 because this length of GL account has been given as 1. Then we can only create 9 accounts because this 1 indicates that only one figure. If we give 2, then the limit will be 99 because there are 2, 1929, like that. 2. Do you understand? Actually, I am not able to express this. Do you understand what I'm saying till now?
That means number of digits, sir.
No, Shruti, tell me. Sorry, Sandhya, tell me. Who was that? Or
Shruti, sir.
Shruti, your voice is actually not audible. Mallet sir. Mallet.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
I'm not asked anything, sir.
Do you understand what is this GL account number 4?
GL account number 4, sir.
Means, do you understand what it is?
Sir, is it like the number of characters which we are giving there?
Number of character. That is the word that I will give. Number of character. If we give in this GL account number 1, then we can create only 9 accounts because the number of characters we have given as 1. So 9 is up to 9. If it is come 10, there are 2 characters, 1 and 0. So that is we can't create 10th account. Okay. For creating 10 to 99, we have to give in this GL account, we have to give it as 2. Then only we can create till 99, 1 to 99. And if we give 3, we can create only up to 999 because 3 characters. Like that, it will go on. So we are just setting a limit. Okay, that's all. But we can't skip this step. That is the problem. Okay, so we have to give something. That is why I have given 8. Or you can give 10. That is up to you. I think only 10 figures can be given. Yeah, okay. So 10. Just give anything. Okay, that's enough. So that is what length of GL account number 4. Is there any doubt in this section? Anybody? Shruti, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is there anybody? Dheeraj Kumar, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Jennifer, what about you?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
So hope everybody understood it. Okay. Then after that, we will save it. So the chart of account has been successfully created. After that, we have created we have created account groups OBD4. The T code is OBD4, and we are creating a new account. So we'll go to new entries. We have to give the chart of account for each account group. We have to give a short name, the full form of the name, and we have to give the number range for the account group. Like that, you have to create 4 accounts. Account groups, and also the number range. And the number range should not be intersect each other. That is the main thing that you have to put it in your mind. Okay. So after that, we have created returned earnings. For returned earnings, we have go to OB53, and we have given the chart of account name. So this has been, we have already created that way it is showing. We have give a short form for the returned earnings and the account. And this account should not be in our account group. Okay. That's all. So these are the 3 steps I have to for the class. So everybody keep practicing in these 3 steps. Okay. So these 3 steps can only be practiced in the account, means in the company code that you have created. Company code, business area. This is the next, and this is the continuation of it. Okay. So continue in this in your company code. That is why I have told you you have to create some company codes. Then only you can practice. Okay. So just practice it. Practice all these 3 steps. Okay. That's all. That's all for today's class. And is there any doubt? Not only from the today's topic, whole section. Is there any doubt for anybody? So hope nobody have any doubt. So thank you guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you,
Keep
sir.
doing.
Sir, 1 second.
Mallet sir, tell me.
Myself, I said, okay, sir. Other student is asking.
Yeah, who's that?
Sir, Anirudh, sir.
Anirudh. Yeah, tell me
Sir, I
Anirudh. What
don't
is it?
have a doubt, but can I know for what?
Sorry?
Just a second. Just give me a minute.
Oh, okay.
Sir, what is this SAP Business Client 07 is used, sir? We
Where
have
do you
2
see?
softwares, right? We have downloaded 2 softwares, right? SAP Login and SAP Business Client.
This one you are saying about what is business logo?
And
I understood your doubt. Actually, there are 3 type of SAP softwares. One is for this regular one, means the SAP software for this MNC company, and for intermediate business, like not such a multinational company, but in a normal level sector company. Okay, for that there is another software created by the same SAP, and the third one is for small scale sector business. Okay, and the second option is this small scale business sector. I think actually not this SAP logo on this one is the main software. All this means most of the steps are there. Not like that. All the steps are there in this logo, and some steps are there are not there in this on the other logo. Hope you understood.
yes,
This is the main logo. All the options, all the customizers and everything are there in this one. but the other one doesn't have everything because it is a small. It is suppose for the small scale business. So this kind or won't be, I think won't be there because it is a small scale business. No, that is the different.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
And any other doubts?
Sir, small doubt, sir. Malish.
Tell me, Malik, sir.
Actually, this SAP software, different organizations are providing different SAP softwares, no?
No. Same SAP itself means three software has been prepared, but it is like suppose for this small scale, intermediate, and multinational. Like that way, it has been created, and all the options will be available in this main logo. Means main software. It is the multinational. The software which we are doing right now.
Okay, sir. Okay, right.
Is the main one. All the like we can customize according to our wish, wants, etc., etc. Everything will be possible in this one.
Okay,
Understood?
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And what about others? Is there any doubt for anybody? Vinay?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then, okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Just practice for today. Okay. Bye. You can leave the class. Everybody.
మల్లేష్ సార్ ఉన్నారా?
Hello.
సార్ అది ఆ రికార్డింగ్ సంగతి ఏంటి సార్ అది ఇస్తారు కానీ
Regarding the, I'm trying my end as a friendly nature. I'm waiting for the cloud approval. It is saving in cloud. So once a cloud approval it gets, I will share the links in group. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
It will get it, but it is taking newly activated account by paying money. So once it is cloud through, it is access, because what happened 24 to 48 hours it will take. Once they are giving link generation, then that link I will share in the group. Okay.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ഈ പിള്ളേർക്ക് പഠിക്കുന്ന ആഗ്രഹമുള്ള പിള്ളേരോട്ടെ എന്തായാലും ഇവർ ഇഷ്ടായി സാറേ. അപ്പൊ ഇവർക്ക് പഠിക്കുന്ന ആഗ്രഹമുള്ള പിള്ളേരാണ് നോർത്ത് തെലങ്കാന